metro cities. So here are the presentation objectives. Let me give you some background information. Well, because bus vehicles are somewhat expensive, and also there are concerns about passenger safety. So, and also because fundings have been reduced for agencies, and also so monitoring, maintenance is more important nowadays than ever. So the agencies can improve efficiency and also maximize costs. So also I'll present the current inventory and statistics to you guys, and also some key findings and recommendations. Well, here's the background, and well, I just talked about the importance of vehicle maintenance to improve efficiency and maximize cost. And our data is come from the NTD, but agencies report to NTD once a year, but somewhat the agencies can have like different performance data to present to NTD, because there are no guidelines from FTA, so agencies only report certain parameters to them, and everyone report their own data, so there's no uniform measures. That may be a problem, but we'll see. And I used 10 metro cities with largest vehicle inventory, and here are the 10 cities for you guys. Well, not unsurprisingly, New York, New Jersey, California, and Illinois are the top 4 with total bus available with all the fleet they have. And well, one factor is that Washington's King County Metro has 1,300 total bus available, but they only use 68%. So 32% of their buses are just sitting there doing nothing. And here is the inventory for vehicle age. As you can see, New Jersey, California, and Minnesota, they have old fleet. They have more than 60% of vehicles more than 10 years. And Pennsylvania has the newest vehicle inventory, less than 5 years. 50% of them less than 5 years. And here are some maintenance statistics. MTA in New York uses less expenses per mile for their maintenance, and also they use less, like the labor work less on maintenance. They only perform 1 minute, 1.34 minutes per mile to their buses. And the highest, like the most maintained fleet is in California, in Los Angeles, and they use $4.65 for maintenance expenses, and they also have 22 maintenance facilities compared to New York's 8. So here are some key findings for maintenance. As you can see, when New York spend the least on maintenance costs, and also they spend less time on maintenance on buses, so they have the highest failure per labor hour on their bus fleet. And on the other hand, California, Los Angeles, they spend more time on the bus fleet to maintain them, to keep it up to date, and they have less failure per hour. Well, you can somewhat see a trend here, like as agencies spend more time on their fleet, and the failure is lowest. And MTA in Chicago, they have a large fleet, but they spend less time on it, so they tend to have more failures. It's also one reason maybe because of the geographic location as well. And combine inventory and maintenance. Well, this figure is about vehicle age versus value. So New Jersey Transit, Los Angeles, and also Minnesota's Metro Transit, they have oldest fleet, more than 60% of their fleet are more than 10 years old. So their failure is high as well. And well, this trend is obvious too, as you can think of. When the fleet is old, it fails more, and when they have a new fleet, like Pennsylvania, the failure occurs less often. So here are some other findings. Vehicle age are not related to maintenance costs, but also maintenance costs also depends on roadway conditions and some other factors, maybe because of operators misusing the vehicle, and there are some accidents as well that may contribute to them. Another factor is on maintenance facilities versus service area. It's somewhat related, but I didn't put a graph here because the exceptions in New York and Chicago, their service area is small, but maintenance facilities, they have, in New York they have less maintenance facilities in a small area, and Chicago they have the highest maintenance facilities. They have 27 of them compared to New York's 8, but the service area is similar. So my recommendations, we can go further to evaluate larger data sets outside the metro area. Also, I recommend uniform data reporting system to FTA because when different agencies give different data, it's very hard to do research on it unless you request data from them. And also, vehicle age, labor, and bus failures are correlated to each other. When a vehicle is old and you put less time on it, the bus fails more. And also, at the end, better maintenance, better efficiency, and performance will be decided. Questions?
One of your slides had said that vehicle age and maintenance costs were not related.
Can you repeat?
I thought one of your slides said that vehicle age and maintenance costs were not related, but I thought that this slide before was showing that sort of as the ages are decreasing, you get fewer breakdowns. Is that?
Yeah, that's right.
So I guess can you explain some of what you mean when you say that that's?
For the vehicle age, it is related to failure, is somewhat proportional, but failure and maintenance cost is somewhat not related because maintenance costs you have a lot of factors concerning that, and the data given by NTD is not detailed enough to inform those analyses.
Okay, thank you.
When you talk about the failure line in the previous two slides, so you have that one, and then go back to the other one. Okay, I was wondering if it was a different line or if it was the same thing. Okay.
Yes, it's
Because it didn't look consistent, but I see
I
it's
should
different now.
put all these three together. Okay.
Did you look into the preventative maintenance procedures to compare them between the 10 agencies?
Because every agency performs differently, and also the data is not uniform enough. So it's probably not a good side to go to for analysis. But yeah, I should have requested data for it, but yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I guess I'm just getting at the point, for example, MTA, you showed on the slide with the age of vehicles. They do standard vehicle overhauls every, I think, 3 to 5 years. So their preventative maintenance procedures are very good. But I don't know how it compares to the other agencies that I'm not familiar with.
Yeah. Also some small agencies, they may perform less maintenance compared to the bigger ones. So these are only metro cities, and maybe some rural areas, the smaller agencies, they may not perform enough, they perform maintenance enough, yet they may fail.
Did you not include MARTA because of data availability, or?
Oh, I just picked
You just picked-
10 of those,
Okay.
the highest fleet. MATA, I think they have like around 500 or 600.